Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company. We have another very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is our first classic Harley that we've done. This is a 1978 Harley Shovelhead chop. This one can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. The draw will take place on the 14th of June, which is Sunday at 10 PM. And the tickets for this are £2.99, plus the winner will also win £1,000 with this beautiful machine. So like I said, it's a 1978 Harley Davidson Shovelhead. And the chop style, got these really nice upswept twin pipes. You've got the Brat style, I think Wassell tank, Brat style seat, S&S carburettor. It's a hard tail as well. And this is a 1200cc machine. I haven't started it today. I just want to show you guys how well it starts for the big engined bike that you have to kick. So I've got a fuel tap just on the top of here. Got an ignition key here, we'll turn on. And there is a choke on top of this carb that you just pull it up and twist. And what we'll, actually first we'll prime the engine with a few, I always forget that's that. I always knock my knee on it. Not used to cool bikes obviously. So we'll just prime it, kick it over twice. Then we'll turn our ignition key on and then give it a kick, see what happens. There we are. It's not really easy. It's more like a hard push than a kick, I'd say, on a bigger engine like this. Really nice mechanically sound engine. And of course sounds pretty good too. There we are. What a lovely machine. Well, if you fancy a go at one of our very first classic Harleys, you can go on the website, like I said, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. This draw will take place on the 14th of June. And you also get £1,000 if you do enter. As always, thank you very much for your support. Really do appreciate it. It allows us to keep on really cool bikes like this for you guys to potentially win. So yeah, thank you very much.